Hi everyone. Today we're making classic borscht, a hearty beet soup from Eastern Europe. It's nutritious, vibrant, and perfect for cold days. Let's gather our ingredients and get started. First, peel and grate 4 beets and 2 carrots. Dice 2 potatoes, shred half a cabbage. Chop 1 onion and mince 2 garlic cloves. This prep takes about 10 minutes in real time, but we're speeding it up here. Heat 2 TBSP oil in a large pot over medium heat. Sauté the onion and garlic for 2 minutes until fragrant. Add the grated beets and carrots. Stir for another 2 minutes. Mix in 2 TBSP tomato paste. Pour in 4 cups of broth, add the diced potatoes and shredded cabbage. Season with salt, pepper, and 1 TBSP vinegar for that tangy kick. Bring to a boil. Then reduce to simmer for 20-25 minutes until veggies are tender. Once done, taste and adjust seasoning. Serve hot with a dollop of sour cream and fresh dill. This makes 4 servings. Enjoy. That's your delicious borscht. If you loved this, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more easy recipes. And share with your friends. See you next time.